Hello everyone. After a long time, again we are going to again learn few of the coding. So today we will do the coding of marks. RTL coding. We will design the RTL marks, right? So our target is that only for today's. And after a long time, I'm making this video just because I there was some issue, which I think now it's resolved. So let's start. So hope you all guys know how to start our design, right? So firstly what we have to do, we have to make our file, right? So make our file with the name of your design, mux. I will design mux only. Mux 2 asterisk 1. Okay, 2 raised to 1 mux I am going to design. I hope you guys know the design. I mean that again I'm getting same issue. 2 raised to 1 mux only. Okay, 2 monitor mux 2. See, wait, with only mux is it exit? So mux d design. Okay, I think now it will going to create the file. Yeah. You know why that was showing? Because already I have designed lots of marks. So and maybe I have taken same name of the file, so that's why it was not accepting. Now it's accepted, right? So what you have to do, you have to design your marks here. So if you guys know, that is good. If you guys don't know how to work your marks, so for that one I'm going to tell you the way. Means what is the principle of your marks is the principle of your marks is, see, what is the meaning of 2 raised to 1 mix? 2 input and 1 output I am taking. Okay, so basic purpose of your marks is switching, for switching purpose, right? Suppose you have some of the device here and some of the device here, and you want to execute both the device simultaneously. How you will going to do? Firstly you will provide this, and it will going to the output based on your select input. Okay, so here main concern is selected. Okay, your select will going to decide which one you will going to get at the output. Okay, 0 1 is important, means whenever my select is 0, at that time this your select is 0, this 0 input will be my output. Means at the output I am will going to get the 0 wall input. Okay, and whenever my select is 1, that time this 1 whatever input I have here, same output I will going to have at the output. Okay, so this is the main principle of your marks. So how you are going to design? Today we are going to learn the procedural block of coding. See, in our previous lecture, we have designed with assign, right? Assign keyword, that is continuation assignment. It is continuously, it will going to change that value whenever that variation is there in some of the variables. Suppose assign y is equal to I'm taking as a A. So whenever there is a change in the value of A, this thing going to execute, right? So there may be some conditions where we have designed some of the block, and that block is going to be depend on some another value. Okay, means so many statements are there. So for that one, what you're going to do, you are going to do with the always or initial block. Okay, always and initial, two ways are there to design, not the design actually. Always we are using inside the RTL design, and initial we are using in our test bench. Okay, always remember that one. So today we are going to learn how to write the code in a procedural block manner. Okay, so let's start module. Hope you guys know the way of, okay, mux. Mux is, if you want to design D as I see. Let's write whole thing. Okay, A is input, B is input, Y is output, and SELA your select line. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to declare the input, right? A, B, and select is also one of the input, right? And output is what? Y. Okay, so and here after that, uh, this procedural block we will learn today, right? So how we usually write the coding in that one, we have to write always at the rate, this is the way. Okay, and see, mux is what? Mux is your combination circuit, right? Mux is your combination circuit. So for combination circuit, inside the bracket we always go with the asterisk. Okay, for sequential circuit, we design some of, means sequential means some clock will be there, right? According to clock you are going to get the output, right? Mean dependency is in a clock. So this one here, in sequential circuits design, some clock we will going to consider here. Okay, we will consider here. So this time I'm designing one combination circuit, so I have written like a string. Okay, begin, this is the way, right? So here write like condition, if your select dependency is where it's select, right? In our design, what is the, if select is 0, this out, this input should be get at the form of output, means whenever my select is 0, this, suppose it is A and it is B. Okay, and this one is your Y. So whenever my select is 0, means this one should go to the Y, right? It is the way, it is the way of it is the principle of your mux, right? So Y is equal to A at select is 0, so that one you have to write here. Select is 1 means select is, how you are going to make it 0, make this. Okay, if select is 0, Y equal to A. See, one thing I want to tell you, this is the format, it is not the equal to. In RTL it is called blocking manner. We are writing in a blocking manner. Okay, that one I will tell you later whole things, but this time you just learn. Okay, what is the way? It is what? Let me, equal to means blocking. Okay, asterisk is for combinational circuit. Okay, remember these two things here. Now if your select is 0, y is equal to A. If my select is 1, then that time what should be the y? Y should be B, right? So uh, else अगर नहीं तो it is means that okay y equal to B. Now begin you have written means end you have to write. Okay, module you have written means end module you have to write. Okay, let's save this, let's compile it. Oh, I'm getting error here. It's good to get here error here. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. See, one thing I haven't told you. See, in a procedural block, okay, proceed, always remember that this one is also very important concept. Okay, whenever you are going to write something in the sense, this y means in which you are storing some value. Okay, so some output type of things on, always remember this which hand side, this left hand side. Left hand side variable should always in a form of reg. Okay, not the reg, it's a reg. Okay, it's the reg. So now compile C, we're not going to throw the error. Always remember that with assign, what was the concept? With assign, always the right hand side means it should be a wire type. Okay, this and this means left hand side should be a wire type, but in a procedural, left hand side should be a what, reg type. Okay, so I think we have done this one. Now it's time for you to design your test bench also. So marks, design, what you have to write, TB. Hope you guys know how to write the TB, right? If you don't know, no, don't worry, just go through with these videos. Till now we have done the not get code and get code, and now today we are doing this marks code. Okay, now module marks, design, TB. Do I need to write the there inside here means, do I need to write something inside TV? No, right? Because we are writing here test bench. One more thing, what I told you earlier, whatever input in test bench, what we are doing, we are making one environment surrounded by our design, right? So here what we are going to do, we are assigning some of the input, we are connecting that one with this, and we are connecting this with this. So we have to assign here some of the input, right, in our environment, and in our output side of our environment also we have to assign some of the output, right? So in test bench, always remember, most important thing is whole input will going to be considered as a reg. Okay, and here whole output will going to be considered as a wire. Okay, wire. Okay, so here input will be what, A, B and cell means all, means one thing, if you are not able to understand this one, always remember that whatever input you will going to provide, means cell who will provide you, B who will provide you, A who will going to provide it, you only, right? So consider all the inputs as a reg and wire as a y. Okay, here Next thing is what? Next thing is initialization of your design, right? Copy paste you can do. Edit, copy paste. What I have to write here? DUT, design under test. Okay, take same name, same position also you have to take. Okay, otherwise it will going to throw the error. Today we are going to learn the simple test range, and next day means tomorrow. From tomorrow continuously you guys will get the video. Okay, no issue. uh, I will make each and every video nowadays from today onwards. So today we are going to learn simple test bench. Tomorrow we will going to learn the task based test bench. There is a some another concept that one is more easy, means much easy than this, means I feel like. Okay, I feel that one is easy. Here, initial, begin. What you have to do, firstly all the inputs make it 0. Okay, means I want to make my whole input 0. I want to make my whole environment as a constant means neutral, right? For that one you have to write like this. Okay, and end. Okay, now I want to give some of the value. For that one also you have to write like initial, begin, and what value you are going to give, just copy paste this one, no need to write that much. Okay, control V, control V. Okay, and see, I have made like a key value is suppose 1 and select as my 0. Okay, so here here also take same value. We can analyze our circuits. Let's change your cell. Okay, 1, give some changes, 50. This delay I have means after 50 time delay you have to give your another value. Okay, now whole simulation time, at what time you want to end your simulation, that one you have to give it dollar, suppose give dollar what, finish. Okay, this one is needed. And now what you have to do, you have to write the monitor to observe, to for the observation purpose you have to um, write the dollar monitor, what, dollar monitor code also, right? But that one also initial you can write inside the begin and so no issue. Okay, but directly also you can write monitor, bracket, let's make it which the value you want to observe, that one you write here. A is equal to percentage 0 b, b means binary format. Okay, b is equal to percentage 0 b, and cell is equal to percentage 0 cell, no b. Okay, what I'm doing today, y is equal to percentage 0 b, all are in the format of binary only. Okay, I did one mistake. What it is, you have to put here double semicolon, not the double semicolon, this double comma upper side. Okay, and A, B, C, not the C, cell Y ended, right? Here remember that this one is going to show this one, okay? So if you are writing here A means write first A after this comma, okay? If you have written here B means write B value first, okay? Remember this one, then only it will going to observe this value, otherwise you will going to get wrong answer, okay? In model. Now what was the step? Compile. It is also successful. Now simulate. Start simulation. Now work. What was your work file name? Mux Design TV. Okay. Here you are going to analyze the test bench. TB. It will take some time. Okay. Here, what was our steps? You have to add your wave. Okay. Add wave. Now wave is added. Now here it is run all. Okay. Click that one. Make it no. You are going to get the waveform. Okay. See here. Firstly, your A is 1. Okay. A is 1, B is 0, and select is 0. Right. So your output is 1. See, your output is 1. Right. Here, see, A is 1. Now your output is 1. Okay. Now after 50 time, see, A is 1, B is 0, cell is 1 means whatever B will be there, that one going to be the output. So in this way, see, when your select is 0, your A will be the output. So A I have taken as a 0, B I have taken as a 1. Okay, I have stored this value. So if it is 0, then it will going to throw the 0. If it is 1, it is going to throw the 1. One new thing I wanna share today is let's it will going to, yes, let's change something so it will be easy for you guys also. Let's make your this bit as a 1 down to 0. Okay, 1 down to 0 means 2 bit is going to store. Cell will be same, so cell is input only, because cell depend on a number of inputs only. Here A and B will share this 1 down to 0. Okay. Now for that one you have to make your output is also 1 down to 0, because that value, whatever the input, size of the input and output should be same, right, to get your values. Now save this one, and in test bench also you have to do some changes. Okay. Hmm, here 0, reg, here let's see what we can do is we can let's take decimal. Okay, you guys will get more concept. This one is binary only, cell here will be a binary only. This one is decimal y value also you have to take as a 1 down to 0 to 0. Okay, save this one here. Yeah, this one is also saved, right? So in that time you just compile all, okay, and just see your mux design we failed with 5 error. What are those error? Unexpected identifier, cell, mux design, undefined variable. In which file? Design file. Did I make it as a what? Input. Mm, 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 mm. 9 10 1 1. Okay, 9. See what is the 9? Sorry. No, you can't do like this. In the same, I think it should have. Wait, you guys can't do this in this way. Means it means like this. You know what I was thinking. A should consider some of the value in this format. B should also have some of the value in this format. No, you can't design like this. It will no. I'm so sorry. It is not the design actually. Okay. Well, whatever we have done, that one was okay. Next time we will do some of the new way. Okay. So delete. This is the way of designing your surface. So do such types of mistake. Okay, you guys also need to do. See, today I got to know, okay, in this way I can't design my marks. Okay, in the same way you guys also do the some of the mistakes. Okay, you have to do in coding and everything. You just do mistake, whatever you have in your thought, just apply that. Okay, and you just analyze whether it's giving you the right answer or not. So till yet we have done this marks coding. Tomorrow we are going to learn task based your design. So tomorrow for the same circuits we will going to learn task based test bench. Okay, so till then stop. Till then let's stop over this recording. Okay, nice. Please, one thing I want to request you all, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay, if you are feeling this one is valuable. Okay, otherwise it's okay, no issue. You can dislike also. Thank you so much everyone. Bye, take care.